Going on, guys? Not really been able to do a lot of picking recently. Been very busy through personal stuff. I've got a little bit of free time on my hands tonight, and I've came across this lock. It's a Yale Euro lock. Not picked this on camera yet. Probably the only lock I've not picked on camera, which I own currently. It's locked up. A little bit rusty. Very out of practice, so bear with me. Can't seem to lift this pin up, it's very stiff. There we go. Got it picked. A little bit of issue with one of the pins, it was very stiff. I was increasing a bit of tension on one of them, and I really couldn't get to the top pin because I'm at the bottom of the keyway tension, and obviously my picks are a bit too large for that. Anyway, let's see what's inside. Hopefully I don't lock up the lock doing this, which is usually what I tend to do. Alright, nearly got it off. You know what, guys, every time I film, circlips never want to come off. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but it always happens to me. Especially with Euro cylinders. These guys are the worst. Let me see if I can just get the key out. Yeah, it's coming out. I've loosened up enough, so there we go. Let's get it over and done with, eh? Just gonna pull everything out real quick. So we have standard key pins, all standard key pins, and then in there, show you what we got. We have a spool, we have another spool, another spool, another spool, and a standard, which is quite common in Euro locks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Got this lock from David Edwards and UK Lock Sport. I'm not too sure if I already mentioned that, but thanks very much for the lock. Guys, till next time, hopefully not too long, but we'll see. Cheers.